Let's talk about Stalker's Steam initialization error fixing is simple, and Conway will go step by step.
But don't abandon hope, fellow survivor. Today, we're cutting through the digital stack to equip you with robust, step-by-step solutions to conquer this bug and finally reclaim your journey into the irradiated wilds. First up, let's ensure your game files are in pristine condition. Steam can sometimes download corrupted data or miss a critical file, leading to this very error. A quick verification through Steam's Properties menu often works wonders, essentially giving your game a thorough digital health checkup. It's a simple, non-invasive fix that has saved many a playthrough from this particular digital glitch. Sometimes the error isn't about the game itself, but how your computer allows it to run. Granting Stalker administrator privileges can bypass permission conflicts that prevent Steam from initializing correctly. Just right-click the game executable, navigate to Properties, and tick that Run as Administrator box. It's a subtle change that can make all the difference, giving the game the necessary access it needs to launch without a hitch. An often overlooked culprit is outdated system software or graphics drivers. York needs to be running its absolute best to handle a demanding game like Stalker, and a driver that's not up to snuff can cause all sorts of unexpected issues, including initialization failures. Make sure your Windows is fully updated, and crucially, grab the latest drivers for your graphics card directly from the manufacturer's website. Keeping your system optimized is key to a smooth zone experience. In our eagerness to protect our systems, sometimes our antivirus software or firewall can get a little too zealous, mistakenly blocking Stalker from communicating with Steam, temporarily disabling your antivirus or adding an exception for the game can often resolve this clash. Remember to re-enable your protection afterward, but testing this can quickly pinpoint if a security program is the silent saboteur behind your initialization woes.